Hello, crochet enthusiasts! Today we're learning two methods to change colors in a granny square, the cut and join method and the continuous method. Let's get started. Cut and join method. Crochet the first round as normal with your starting color. For the second round, we'll change colors. After the last pull through of the first round, cut the yarn. Take your new color yarn, leaving a tail. Hold the tail with your finger at the entry point. As you continue crocheting, work over the tail to secure it. Complete this round as normal with the new color. You've successfully changed colors for the first time. Let's demonstrate the cut and join method once more for the third round. Tip: the cut and join method involves cutting the yarn when you need to change colors, then starting with the new color. We've now completed our second color change using this method. continuous method. We'll demonstrate this on a pre-made granny square. Crochet to the stitch before where you want to change colors. We'll change colors on the next stitch, using the new color to complete the previous stitch. Take your new color yarn, leaving a tail. Hold it at the entry point. Pull through with the new color to complete the stitch, gently tightening the old color. For the next stitch, place the old color over the hook before yarning over with the new color. Continue this process, always keeping the unused color on top of your hook as you crochet. When it's time to change colors again, pull through with the new color to complete the stitch, gently tightening the old color. Remember to always keep the unused color on top of your hook. On the wrong side of your work, you'll see that all the color changes are hidden. Let's continue demonstrating this method for a few more stitches. Tip: the continuous method involves carrying the unused color along the top of your stitches until you need it again. At the end of each round, make sure to carry the unused color to the next round. And that's it. You've learned 2 methods for changing colors in a granny square.